So common places that asbestos hides. And this is, when you know what to look for, it's pretty obvious to see. So some of the first things you can look at is pipe insulation and boiler wraps, especially a white or gray cloth-looking material. Probably the most that you'll see it would be on boiler lines. Now, I mentioned previously that is a very good insulator, and that's why it was used. You want to have as an efficient boiler setup as you can. So boilers usually in the basement, and water lines are going throughout the house to radiators to heat the house. And this helps to keep the heat so the boiler doesn't continually have to work to keep the water hot. The insulation would help to do that. But these lines over time, they get frayed. You'll see fibers hanging down. You'll see chunks of the insulation hanging down. And those are likely asbestos-containing fibers and insulation. And so if we see it and it's in a really good shape, we're not as likely to say much about it other than notify you that you have those kind of materials. But if it does have if it's in a poor shape, or it's tearing or falling apart, it's subject to being damaged, or a kid running by it and swinging at it or whatever, and things could get airborne, then it's more of a health concern. So pipe insulation and boiler wraps are probably the most common things that we would see that may have asbestos in it. Another one is 9 by 9 inch floor tiles or older sheet vinyl with felt backing. This is a very telltale sign in homes that have 9 by 9 floor tiles. More modern tiles, even vinyl tiles, are going to be 12 by 12. And this wasn't necessarily just limited to 9 by 9, but in general, that was where you would see it. And so if you go into your basement or the laundry room or wherever this may be, and you see 9 inch by 9 inch floor tiles, even if they're in good shape, the materials themselves could have asbestos in it, and the adhesive that they would use to secure these to the floor could have asbestos in it. So we'll talk in a little bit again about what to do about that and what not to do about that.